Okay, guys, this is FARID PREMANI once again, second live stream. US 500, which is a CFD for ES or S&P 500, America's top 500 companies. Let's see what's going on. Time to enter shorts. This was the overall situation. You see, we are firm believer of geometry, WD1. This is what we are trying to do ray analysis, and you see so many gaps are there. Okay. Bigger trend is about to break. Okay, but there are more bigger trends which are coming. What we are trying to showcase you is sometimes the first trend breaks, it goes to the big universal line, bounces back, comes down. So you have to see till what point might it break, and then we use the mathematics, Fibonacci's, Elliott wave analysis, multiple confluences, and again we can be wrong still. So trade at your own risk and trade with minimum positions that you can digest. You can sleep well if you lose. Don't be greedy like me. So play well. Okay. Now, what you need to do is we are trying to create a trend line, and sometimes you have to see how do we create a trend line that can give us higher highs. So if I do this trend line, it's already making higher highs one, two, three, four. If I make this higher high, this is showing, let's say, how many higher highs? One, two, three, four, five. Four to five higher highs are decent. If I make this as a point, then the fourth will go. You have to see that it actually bounces down, and then you take the entry. Okay, and if it bounces down from this point, so what I'm telling you, see, everybody's in different time zones. My intention is to help most people in third world countries where there is no employment opportunities, but it's everywhere in US as well now. Every day I receive good news and bad news from people, but the idea is to help them make money, inshallah. And so this is a perfect entry point. If you see on a Fibonacci level, this is one point. Enter here on a bounce, drive down to this, and then if you see, this could be a short with tight stop loss. Don't do stop loss directly here, just one ahead, and you can drive down to this point. So my signal would be right now for US 500 sell, and 6485 should be stop loss, and 6430 should be profit target. Now my intentions are, wherever you do, you try to do it in a way that your losses are minimum. Okay, your losses are minimum, and you maximum, let's say if you have $100 in your account, you should be able to survive. Okay, so this is the short signal. For long term people, there could be another short signal, but then this time your profit management would be short here, and then boom, go up to the second driving point. Okay, and you might see, I don't know if there are news coming or not, but normally news comes later, the geometry becomes first, always. And this is a big dragon candle on a 4 hour chart actually as well. So if you go with this, risk management is 1 is to 4.77. So 500, let's say if you lose 100%, you make 500%. If you're with $100 account, risk $5, $10 max. If you're with $1,000 loss, $50. If you're with 10,000, try to lose maximum $500, so you make $2,500 gain. If you have to stay in the game. Okay, This is a dragon candle that makes me. But again, market is very good with manipulation, and day by day with more AI empowering, manipulation is very high. So we can be wrong despite all the conferences, and I'm explaining you everything for free so that you can learn, inshallah, and you can create your own income stream and do it as a side hustle. Keep on working on your jobs, your entrepreneurship, your business. Make it your side hustle gig, and that's why I started teaching. Many people would like to create their own signals. Go ahead, inshallah. Stay blessed. Remember in prayers. And this was the signal for US 500 or ES, which is actually the similar. But again, look at your broker, whichever you're using, XNex, Forex.com. If you're using cryptos, their gold values would be different. Okay, but my suggestion would be, if you're in a hurry, take trade here. If you're good for 4 5 weeks, this is a bigger setup. You see stop loss is slightly more, but your position size would be. So every time when you enter a trade, make sure if this stop is hit, calculate how much you will lose. And there are some more videos already made on our channels. You can see the description. There is course. Again, everything is free. So hope this helps you. Stay blessed. Thank you.